is Saul Castañeda from MCSC here at Greenwheels in Chicago. We want to sit here and explain to you what we're doing with this 2003 Cobra IRS rear end here on the floor. For our 1993 Ford Fox Body LX that we call the Grunt, we are changing that rear straight axle into a Cobra IRS from a 2003 that we picked up. We're just changing it up a bit, doing something different. A little bit different than everybody. And what we're taking apart, we pretty much took apart our Cobra IRS to remove all these bushings. As you can tell, these are all cracking. We went with polyurethane bushings. Even the spherical bushing that sits up here by the knuckle, you could tell that these boots are no longer any good. And the problem with a lot of this was all rubber bushings, which gave this rear end a little bit more swing or more sway. It danced a little bit more because of all that rubber in there. So what we're doing, we're basically going to beef up ours. We're beefing up ours by going ahead and changing out the original cover to the differential, as you can tell. And a lot of the readings that you'll find very flimsy, not strong, and will break. And we'll be changing that one out to our Ford Racing cover right here. As you can tell, it's definitely much thicker than the original. It's going to be able to take a little bit more of a punch. Along with that, as we showed you in our knuckles, we were changing out all the bushings. We're getting rid of all the spherical stuff and make sure we get polyurethane. These are all new for the front, for the rear knuckles that are going to sit back here. And on our IRS that we have sitting up here, we took it apart. We cleaned up all the lower control arms, upper control arms. We cleaned up the pumpkin. We cleaned up the axles. We got new bushings all the way around. And as you can tell, we are installing all the poly bushings into this guy, from lower control arms, upper control arms, everything around the differential down to the new cover. We're bringing it all new. Along with that, we're changing out the rear tie rod arms to our Maximum Motorsport. Your typical tie rod arm that comes on this IRS originally looks something like this. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and switch it up. Something better from Maximum Motorsports. It's lighter and it's adjustable. Just make it a little easier for us to work with. It's kind of pretty well hidden in the back here, so right now that it's all taken apart, it makes it really easy for us to all adjust everything. So you guys stay tuned, keep track, keep watching, keep subscribing. Thank you to everybody on YouTube and our Facebook and our Instagram. You guys keep watching, man. Thanks. Where's the connector though?
1, 2. That's extra. You gotta take the door panel out, bro.
Yeah. So we'll let him know. Here, get inside, pump it, and then we'll go back up.